We are pleased to show you the 2018 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, heads-up display, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. Come see the car for yourself.